Your destiny, 너를 본 순간 모든 게 magic history.
Yes, 24 ticket. And it was the first one I went into that had English, and then it takes you here, and then you just click booking, and then you click this booking. Okay, let's do this. Let's see. Okay, we're in. Available seats. Yes, I want all of them. What? Yes, I want to join fan club. Select one. There's only one. I don't know why it's not changing the price. Okay, there we go. Join fan club. This discount is not available. Next, delivery. Okay. Notice for overseas delivery. For in-post, custom duties can be charged on custom procedures. In this case, you can get the goods by paying taxes and charges to impose the duties. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, okie dokies. I live in the Americas. I live in the United States. My name. And the total for delivery is fucking 42,001. Holy shit, it's gonna be like $67. For 7 days after booking, blah 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 blah. I agree. And now for payment. Overseas issue Visa, Master, and JCB cards. Sweet. Payment next. Have my MasterCard. I don't have any of these. I don't know what Alpay is. Can I do America? Other card? Oh, Master. I have a MasterCard. Sweet. Card number. Sweet. After reservation, we need your personal information. You can input your personal information on my page. Please be sure to fill out the information. Name, official, fan ID, birth date. Please give your information accurately. If you don't, fan club card won't be issued. Input personal information for fan club. Okay, input modify. And then this is where it is. That's my name, yo. I'm gonna put my middle name to my ID. I should not. Birth date. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm from America, by the way. I get so many questions from like other countries and I'm just like, I don't really know. Yeah. I mean, I think it's gonna be like a similar experience. It's just like the cost might like differ because of where you live. But yeah. Hopefully that was helpful. If not, I'm still gonna upload it.